Jai Ho children. So here I am back with the new topic of unit number 1, and this is the last topic, which is various sources of information. Can you see this? This is 1.3, various sources of information. Before this we have learned many things from the beginning, right? That is communication interface we have come across, and modern tools of communication means the tools in communication, what are different things that we use we have seen across till now, like CD, DVD, pen drive, what it is, how to insert CD in laptop, what is USB port, we have seen. Do you remember all this? If you don't remember, please go through the previous video. Just slide upwards, scroll upwards in your WhatsApp. There you can find my videos on these topics. You can watch the videos, okay? So calculators we have seen, electronic cash register we have seen, mobile phones we have seen what it is, later xerography, telephone, fax, electronic voting machine, electronic diary, e-cards, electronic business cards, electronic books. First periodic test you have written on the same topics, right? And I have given the homework also to give the different examples of e-cards. We have written and sent few of you, right? So last and the next topic of the unit number 1, it is various sources of information. What is information? Information means knowledge. What is knowledge? That what we come to know from reading, writing, from other persons, from watching news in the TV, or else watching YouTube. We come across many new things and we learn them, right? Watching YouTube, you learn to make greeting cards, different kinds of paper things, and Murli sir tells you about drawings, you learn from that, right? So that all is new kind of information you learn. So that is various means different kinds of information you are learning. Clear? So the computer is one of the major sources of information, but there are other sources too. Let's have a look. So computer, it is the major source, means it is the main source of information, but other than computer there are many other sources also. So which are those we are going to learn. So in sources of information, mainly there are 3 subdivisions. First one is print media, second one is broadcast media, and online media. Which are the parts of sources of information? Print media, broadcast media, online media. Okay. So in print media, what is print? Print means notebook. This all is printed, right? We have one single page we have taken, and on that we have printed all these things, written all these we have typed, and we have taken the printout of it, and we have bind it to form a book. So print media includes newspaper, magazine, periodicals, journals. That all in your home you might get some books like Gruhini. Magazines you get, right? For children, Tunturu will be there. Have you seen Spardha Vijeta, Spardha Jagattu, or newspaper like Vijay Karnataka, Vijay Vani? In English, Deccan Herald will come. So they all are the newspaper magazines which provide the information through print media. They will be printed, and they are the mediums like paper medium. On paper it will be printed, and we will read holding the paper in our hand. So that is print media. Next is broadcast media. What is broadcast media then? So broadcast media mainly includes television, films, advertisement, and radio. Television you know, right? TV. The TV, full form of TV is television, where you watch serials, cartoon, Chota Bheem. You all watch, right? Yes. So films also, many films will be there. Advertisements will be there in middle of serials and films. So this all, radio also, these all come under broadcast media. Similarly, the very interesting topic is online media. What is online media? In that, email, SMS, MMS, social media application, messaging platforms. Social media applications means WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, different kinds we use, right? So they all come under social media applications. Social media in the sense, this WhatsApp, Facebook, these all we use, right? How I have sent the video for you guys to watch it? Through WhatsApp only. So it is useful for everyone nowadays, right? Okay, so online media, it includes email, SMS, MMS. SMS and all, it. SMS is the normal message. Out of WhatsApp, there will be a normal message where company message will come to your phone. That is SMS. Email is mail ID, @gmail.com, yahoo.com we call it as. So that comes under online media. So first we'll learn briefly about print media. What is print media? Print media typically includes newspapers, magazines, posters, brochures, press releases, books, newsletters, journals, periodicals, research papers, etc. So print media in the sense, what all it includes? Newspaper, Deccan Herald, then Karnataka, from Karnataka which are there? Yes, Vijay Karnataka, Vijayavani, Gommatvani, you know them, right? Prajavani is there, so they are newspapers. Magazines, Gruhini, Gruhalakshmi, Tunturu, you know about magazines? Spardha Vijeta, these all are magazines. Posters, film posters and all, advertisement they will be having on walls. Illi ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Have you seen them? Or else posters like in gathering and all, they will be having a poster of school at the stage. ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ರು, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ತಾರೆ ಜಮೀನ್ ಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಟೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್. And brochures, it includes like poster only, but it is like a booklet. So brochure includes main front page, and inside that many matters will be printed. That is brochure. So like this, many things are there. So all this comes under print media. This book is also a print media. This is a textbook, right? We can read it. It is a printed one. So this is also print media. From this we are getting the information, we are getting the knowledge, right? So this book is also considered as print media. So next it is broadcast media. So it includes TV, they have shown, see, TV. Broadcast media typically includes content from the radio, television, film or advertisement. So what broadcast media mainly includes? It includes 4 things. One is radio, second one is television, third films, and last one is advertisement. Advertisements, you know about it, right? Nimma toothpaste nalli uppu idya, she will be coming, no? So that kind of advertisements, you know, right? So that is advertisement. Television, you all see it. TV9, Udaya, Chintu. In which show Chota Bhim will come? Exactly. Cartoon Network, they all are including in TVs. Radio, you know about radio? In mobile you have, if you connect through headphone and you will listen to radios, or in car and all, they will be putting FM radio, it is called as. You know about it, right? So it is FM radio. So these 4 main things categorized under broadcast media. Clear? Very good. So next interesting topic of today's lecture, that is online media, internet media, I said, right? So what all it comes were? Online media, internet. So internet is slowly changing the way we communicate. Not only this, we also rely on internet for other activities that are performed with the help of following tools. So internet is growing technology. It is not grown completely and it will never stop also. Like updates will be there day by day. ಇವತ್ತೊಂಥರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೆಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ what all it includes. Online media. First one is email. So email or electronic mail is a medium of exchanging messages from one person to another to one or more recipients over internet or computer networks. There are various email services providers such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, Hotmail, etc. So email, it includes the same thing like message, exchange of the messages, exchanging messages from one person to one or more recipients. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸುವಂತಹ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಮು ಇಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು? Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, Hotmail. These are types of mails. That is email service providers. They are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, Hotmail, etc. What are email service providers? Like bus service providers will be there. What all kind of bus are there? From Hukkeri to Chikkodi one bus will be there. Sankeshwar another bus will be there. Hukkeri to Belgaum another bus will be there. Hukkeri to Gokak another bus will be there. So buses are different, right? So they are transport service providers, right? Transportation is moving from one place to another place. So that is called as bus service of Karnataka. That we can say as transport service providers. Similarly, mailing, email or the messages what we want to convey from one person to another person, that we can transfer through email service providers. Clear? So next it is SMS or MMS. So SMS, what is the full form of SMS? SMS is short messaging service. Underline this, short messaging service. Full form. SMS is an abbreviation, short form, but full form of this is short messaging service. While MMS stands for multimedia messaging services. So SMS, it sends only short messages. Short messages if you want to type and send, we can send through short messaging services. But multimedia in the sense, multi is many. Photos, images, other than text. Text is only alphabets we can type and send. But other than alphabets, if you want to send photos or if you want to send some kind of videos or if you want to send some kind of pictures and all, multimedia, MMS is utilized, which is multimedia messaging service. So you can send SMS or MMS through mobile phones only. So you know about it, right? Mobile phones will be having SMS and MMS technology. So SMS refers to text messages, while MMS refers to messages that have multimedia content like audio, video and pictures, etc. So what SMS stands for? Yes, SMS is short messaging services. And what is MMS? MMS is multimedia messaging services. How SMS works? It works by sending only text messages. Text message in the sense alphabets, A to Z alphabet. Whatever word you want to send, you can send short messages through SMS. But if you want to send pictures, videos or audio through one phone to another mobile phone, you need to send it through MMS, which is multimedia messaging service. I hope you are getting it, okay? SMS is short message services used to send only the text messages. Similarly, MMS is multimedia messaging services used to send files like audio, video and pictures, etc. Okay? Next it is social media applications. So social media applications, what all it includes? Social media application is a group of applications allowing people to create and share information, ideas, pictures, audio, and videos. Social networking apps such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. have made it easier to keep in touch with family, friends, and colleagues at work. Blog, an online personal diary, is also one kind of social media platform where people express their personal opinions, share or exchange information and views on everything under the sun. So, what is social media application? It includes, as I said, Facebook, Twitter, might be here, right? There will be a blue color bird flying. That is the symbol of Twitter. Here it is given. Social media, it is given. So Facebook symbol, it is there. @ symbol for Gmail, they have given. www is browsing network. Wi-Fi symbol they have shown. Mouse they have shown. Is it mouse? Yes, it is mouse. So this is about social media. So social media applications is a group of application allowing people to create and share information, ideas, pictures, audios and videos. What it means? One person ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್, ಟ್ವಿಟರ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್, ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ಇನ್, ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ includes. Okay. And blog also they have mentioned particularly. Blog is also online platform only, online application only, where you can write personal diary maintain ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. We will be having one diary and we will be writing everything into it. Daily whatever we did, how much time we spent unnecessarily, what is the good deed we did in our life. That will be, some people will be having the habit of writing that. So that is online blog. We can write it whatever we have done in online mode and we can share with the other people. So that blog is used for. Okay. Next it is messaging application. So what kinds of messaging applications are there? Facebook Messenger is there, MSN Messenger is there, Skype is there, WhatsApp is there, WeChat is there, are some of the most popular online messaging applications. You know about Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype and all. Skype is video calling application, like how you use Google Meet, no? So Skype is used in industries and offices for video calling and meetings with their employees. And WeChat, we know we can chat there. Like WhatsApp only, we can send the messages. So not all of these applications are free to use. Some offer free voice calling, some free mobile SMS either over Wi-Fi or the user smartphone data plan. So they are available free of cost. Data plan ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. And data plans will be having some amount that we need to pay for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Plans will be available for 28 days. We'll make the recharge and we can use the services. So they are not free of cost. We need to pay some amount for that. But without social medias, nowadays we can't survive. Every mobile needs recharge. So we'll do the recharge and we use that. So they are not free of cost. They offer some, like if we offer data plan through WhatsApp, we can video chat, we can voice call, we can type the messages and send. All possibilities are there, right? So internet is much necessary. So if we recharge for net, then we can use all the services easily. That is the concept, okay? So nowadays we find educational applications from nursery rhymes to mathematics to science to languages, learning on smart mobile phones. Information and communication technology is such an integral part of our lives that we can't think of surviving without it. Contrary to what we often think, ICT is information and communication technology, is not simply about computers but includes anything that aids you in the process of communication. Since this is a way of life, most people can handle the most modern tools of information and communication technology, ICT, effectively. So, information and communication technology is not only learning about computers, but it includes all the things which gives the information, knowledge about communication and technology also. We will be learning about how to communicate with people and how to manage the communication skills, along with how technology helps in maintaining the communication. So this is the theme of unit number 1. We learnt about many different mediums of communications, and also we learnt about medias, sources of information. How many are there? We all seen through this lesson. So I hope you have understood the lesson completely. And this exercise part I will be sending you by tomorrow. Please watch the video completely and learn the lessons. If you have any difficult words, if you feel like some words you don't know, you can just write them and practice them. You will get the idea of what spelling is. You don't know the word, like registering, it is there. You can write that in your rough book and you can practice it. So you will be getting this registering spelling. So please learn and by heart. Okay? Thank you.